1971 Dodge Charger here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 440 V8 underneath the hood, 4-barrel Edelbrock on it. That's paired up with a 4-speed manual 833 transmission. Power steering, power brakes. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front grille. Hideaway headlights, those are electric. And as you can see, hood pins. Vitamin C orange. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay. In the engine bay, you're going to notice this car is equipped with power steering, power brakes, and those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the polished aluminum wheels, BF Goodrich radials. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see it's not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. You may find a small imperfection here or there, maybe just a little bit of touch-up, but they are few and far in between. Be a fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Don't see a ton of these 71s out there. So bucket seats up front. As you can see, black and orange combination, center console, some aftermarket gauges. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer peek, start it up, let you hear it run, look underneath the hood, and if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. The graphics you see on it are vinyl. And once again, all those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. A few notes from the technician on this one. Stated the gauges do work, those aftermarket ones. Brakes are 90% in the front, 70% in the rear, new rear wheel cylinders. Tires are date coded 2013 in the front, 2025 in the rear, and in good shape. Hideaway headlights do work. Said the wipers work, they do hang up a little bit on the hood trim. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you like these Chargers, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. If you like Mopars for that matter, go ahead and subscribe. Do sell quite a few Mopars throughout a year. All right, let's take a little closer look at this interior. Black door panels with the orange highlights also. I have still pictures underneath the Harley floor mats, so you can see the carpeting. Carpeting's in good shape, and you can see seats. They don't have any rips, tears, holes. The two belts, of course, one for the lap belt down here, and then one for the shoulder belt, which you should be able to see on the other side over there. Headliner looks good. I think we should fire up this 440, see how it sounds. Again, 440 with power steering, power brakes. Does have an aftermarket retro sound stereo. Missing one of the knobs, it is in the glove box. A little piece was broke off the back. Stereo is working though. Alright, so fuel gauge works, alternator works. Then come down here for temp, that was a cold start, and oil pressure. We have that warning chime going off. I have the door open, that's why. Let it warm up just a little bit here. Dash looks good. Oh, listen to this. Door closes nicely. By the way, it has an 8 3/4 posi rear end with 391 gear ratio. It also has just been serviced. Alright, let's slip up to the front. Let me get these hood pins out. I want to get this hood open. Let's check out the engine bay, and then we'll let Jason take it for a drive. Alright, first of all, good look underneath the hood. engine bay. So aluminum radiator, Edelbrock intake manifold, Edelbrock 4-barrel, power steering, power brakes. Sounds good, looks good underneath here. Let's check those lights real quick. See how those doors work. Alright, looks like they came on. So hideaway headlights, electric doors, they are working also. 1971 Dodge Charger. Number to call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where all the pictures are. Over 100 pictures of this car online. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1971 Dodge Charger. Pistol grip 4-speed shifter. Our speedometer is working. It might be reading a little fast. There is a clock that is not counting the seconds, but we are clock equipped. The factory alternator gauge is showing charging over half, and the factory fuel gauge is showing over 3/4 of a tank. Down below the dash we have a water temperature of 170 and an oil pressure of 45 psi. Digital radio on the dash. That sounds good. We've got rear speakers. The blower motor works. The wipers also work on this car. Sounds good. We have a center console with storage compartments. There is a little slack in the steering. Both our turn signals work. Even out on the hood, those hood indicators right next to the hood pins still doing their job. Take a look at all the pictures of this 1971 Dodge Charger at UniqueClassicCars.com.